Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to delete Temu account, and now let's dive right in. Now to delete your Temu account, first open up your Temu app on your phone. And after opening your Temu app, guys, on this interface at the bottom of the screen, you can see the U button available for us just beside the categories at the bottom of the screen. Tap on the U button at the bottom middle section of the screen, and you land over here, whereas at the top right corner of the screen you can see the settings option available for us at the top right just beside the support button. Tap on the settings button at the top right corner of the screen, and over here again at the top of the screen you can see the account security option available for us. Tap on account security, and over here, guys, if you scroll down and look at the bottom of the page, you can see the delete your Temu account option available for us. Just below the sign in activity, tap on delete your Temu account, and you can see here it says how to delete your Temu account. Now in order to delete, after reading all of the customers disclaimer by Temu, tap on this button or the tick mark at the bottom left corner of the screen where I'm tapping, and tap on the continue button, and you will process to the deletion of your account. And with that being said, guys, this is how to delete your Temu account. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.